everyone, I hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day. Today is Sunday here, so we're having quite a quiet day, to be honest. We're all at home, it's getting a little bit more chilly, so a little bit more autumnal, and it feels quite cozy today. So yeah, I'm gonna see if we can try and get some jobs done around the house that we need to do. I've had a fair few messages now, usually on Instagram, asking about when I'm going to do some house updates, which I know I've been really slow on getting up. And we keep going on to new rooms, and I haven't shown you the finished rooms, but that's because up until like this week, really, they haven't been finished. We're still missing bits and bobs for each room, but it's just getting to the point now where I'm just going to show you anyway, because it's really not that deep, is it? So I'm going to film our bedroom tour, which you can obviously see behind me this week, and the boys' bedroom as well. And also we're in the middle of doing the hallway and the nursery at the moment. So we're just really hoping, I think, by the end of this year to get upstairs done. That would be the biggest achievement. And then we've kind of, well, we moved in here in February, so we will have got everything done upstairs in the first year, so that would be great. And then hopefully that means that we can get cracking on downstairs. One exciting update I have for you, which I don't think I've told you unless I've got major baby brain, which I have, but I don't think I've told you this yet, is that our planning permission for what we want to do downstairs has been approved. Took ages, much longer than we thought, so it's just the start of things to come, I think. I know everything to do with extending and renovating takes so much longer than you think it's going to, and costs so much more than you think it's going to. So I'm kind of prepared. So we're just trying to decide when would be the best time of year to start it. And everyone tells us different things, but obviously the fact that we're going to have a newborn baby, and also we're going into the winter months, so like it's probably best not to be starting it in December, January, February. So I don't really know, but we've got plenty to be getting on with for now, and then we can kind of be planning for that, so that's really exciting. I thought I would also just quickly do a little update, because I'm going to be 33 weeks tomorrow. How crazy is that? So I thought I'd just kind of do a little bump shot. I know I've got quite a baggy jumper on, so you can't really see, but it's just going so fast, and I can't believe I'm going to be 33 weeks. I've got a lot of videos to film in the next few weeks, let's just say that. So this week's HelloFresh box has just arrived. We're just unpacking it now, and I thought I'd show you what recipes we've got for this week, because as you know, if you watch our vlogs, we are big fans of HelloFresh, and we really are excited that we get to work with them once a month, but we've been long time customers, literally for years. There are so many good things I can say about it, so that's hopefully that's why they work with us, because they know that we genuinely love their products. The cheese and caramelised onion chicken, which I think we're going to have tonight, and I don't think we've ever had this before, but it looks amazing. Oven baked risotto. Risotto is one of my favourite dinners. And is this one the vegetarian? No, this one's got bacon in it. And the teriyaki beef mince, which I bang on about this all the time. It has this sauce in it, which is so good. And I love anything like this, and the boys really like it too. But as I always say, it's just a really good way to keep us kind of on track. We know what meals we're going to have each week, and we don't waste anything, because everything we get from HelloFresh comes pre-proportioned, so the right amount of meat, the right amount of herbs and spices, so it just feels like a really good way to be a little bit more sustainable, because at the end of the week we haven't got loads of food that we've let go to waste. You can completely customise it to your lifestyle, to your family. For example, these are all classic meals, but they do family meals, they do vegetarian meals, you can get meals for 2 people, 3, 4, and you can also get their rapid meals as well. Plus they do like brunch options, lunches, there's so much. So I would definitely recommend going on the website, and a few people have actually asked me in the past as well if you just kind of get sent whatever they have that week. But you can completely, again, customise what meals you want. There's loads to choose from, and you can go through each week and pick your favourite. So there's always something that you're going to be really looking forward to. I have a special code which I'm going to pop on the screen now, which is Cook with Kate 50. This gets you 50% off your first box and 35% off your next 3 boxes after that. So it's a really good deal. And as I always say, I would not recommend something to you guys if I didn't think it was really good, and we really do love HelloFresh. So I'll leave all of that in the description box below. I'm just in the kitchen because Elliot has bought me some beautiful rainbow flowers. I'm going to put them in a vase. How lovely are they? I'm vlogging today.
I know. What?
I'm vlogging today.
What, we're going to go to log?
No.
What, we're going to go to logging?
What's logging?
You said it.
No, vlogging.
Logging.
Vlogging, where I film for the day.
But you guys said we're going to logging for the day.
We're going to log in for the day.
Yeah.
No, dilly Billy. I'm just playing a bit of Minecraft with my biggest boy. But is Mummy good at it? Be honest, you can be honest.
No. Well, last time she played it with me, she was.
Yeah, but
now she is.
I forgot how to do it. And
because she did not play it in a long time, so she should play video games more.
I just find it very confusing. And he's just
Because
told
you're
me
a confusing
now Daddy's
woman.
back from the shop. now Daddy's back from the shop. He's gonna play with his dad because he's better than me.
Yeah, that's true.
It is true. I can't lie. I'm alright at other games. I'm okay when we play the Harry Potter one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like a rock version of it.
Yeah.
Oh, I see a ladder.
Do you know how many boxes it is?
I think it's 1 or 2, but one of them's got Halloween stuff in which we don't need.
Well, there's a wasp on it.
Is there? Does that mean there's a wasp's nest up there?
No. It's not a wasp, it's just a little beetle.
So it's only taken us 3 months, but we've finally got our little gallery wall going on. We're going to put some more Lego figures on here. So this is for like the figures Archie makes, and then put some books on here, and then all of these space themed prints were from Unique when we worked with them a few years ago, and they're in Archie's last room. Oh, and we have another little shelf that Ricky's just put here by Archie's desk, because we got these pots from IKEA. This is also from IKEA, but we've had them again for years and had them in the boys' rooms at various times. But we bought these and they've just been sitting around. We didn't really know what to do with them. And I realised they just fit perfectly on the shelf, which I'm very excited about. Tiny things please tiny minds. But I just think that's going to look really good. We can put some stuff on the shelf, and then maybe he can use it as like a little, I don't know, little pen pots or something. So that will look cute by his desk, and it just give him a bit more storage.
Hi guys, I'm
What did she say?
Hi guys, and hi Crookly the Crocs.
Oh, Crocs. Crocs. So I'm downstairs with Elliot at the moment. He's watching The Lion Guard, as I said. Archie, bless him, is now not very well. I don't think I've mentioned this on here because I didn't vlog last week. But Elliot was off for 3 days from school because he had a temperature. Not COVID, luckily. I feel like you have to say that every time now anyone's ill. But yeah, he was very under the weather. And now we thought Archie'd got away with it, but now he's got a temperature and he's actually asleep in our bed, which is very unlike him. So he's not feeling great. He's got a bit of a headache and a tummy ache. So looks like another week of children off school. It just feels like they've been off forever, even now into September, but what can they do if they're not well? give you a quick update in the haul. So a lot of it's been panelled now, apart from I've just got this last bit down here to go. And it carries on around here, and we've been trying out some paint colours. And then we've got this area as well. Just can't believe like how yellow everything is against white paint. Sorry, I'm whispering because Elliot is now in bed, and then it's quite dark, so I'll try and show you this better in a separate vlog. But the ceiling, as I said, was plastered today in the nursery, so everything is looking a bit of a mess at the moment. But the only thing we're really waiting on now is the electrics to be done. But we can get on with a lot of painting and lots of other bits and pieces whilst we're waiting for that. Archie's just had some medicine and he's in our bed. Stop trying to wiggle that tooth out. Oh, you're trying to get it out before you go to sleep? I don't think it will, darling. Yeah, I'm going to sit with Archie now for a little while till he falls asleep. And so I'll try and show you what's in the autumn box after that. Charlie picked it up and tore off the wrapper, and suddenly, from underneath the wrapper, there came a brilliant flash of gold. Charlie's heart stood still. "It's a golden ticket," screamed the shopkeeper, leaping about a foot in the air. "You've got a golden ticket! You found the last golden ticket." So sorry if you're not interested in this at all, but I thought I would just get out some of my autumn bits to show you, like I've been saying this whole time, it's not actually as excessive as I thought it was. Maybe this isn't everything, but I bought a few more bits this year, which you'll have seen in my last haul video if you watch that. If not, it's 1 or 2 videos before this one, so go and check it out because that stuff is put away at the moment. But this is what I've got from previous years, apart from another huge bunch of candles that I've got. But it's pretty much, a lot of it is from Home Sense, so it's not, you know, it's not easy to just go and pick up, but they have different things in there every year. I love these ones. I think, yeah, these ones light up, but they probably don't work anymore. And this one, you can put a tea light in. But I'm not even filming it. But I'd probably put some fairy lights in there just to keep it safe. And then another little light up one. This I've actually had for years and years and years from Home Sense. And it's still one of my favourite things. So I'm really glad I've got that. And then I've just got like these pumpkins. This one's lost a stalk, but you can get these on Amazon still. So I'm sure you'll find those on there. And then I've also ordered this garland this year, so I haven't got this out yet, but it's got silver stalks. I wish it didn't. I wish it just had the brown stalks, but it doesn't really matter. It's really cute. It's got little berries, pine cones, leaves, like eucalyptus type leaves. And then I've got this little one, which is a candle. This box smells so good, by the way. And then these little knitted pumpkins that Sarah from Family Home Project on Instagram made for me last year. They're really cute. I don't know if she's still doing them this year, but yeah, they're really lovely. Oh, this is my wreath that I made a few years ago. It is looking a little bit worse for wear now, and these are falling off. So I've actually bought some bits to revamp it, but now I'm looking at it, I still love it, and I might get another wreath and make another one so that I don't, you know, have to take this one apart. And also I've got some autumnal leaves, because for a while I was very much into kind of like these neutral autumn tones, but now last year and this year I'm definitely getting more into like the actual autumn colours. We made this little garland last year, and then yeah, just a few more candles. These are the ones that have survived from previous years, a DW pumpkin pancakes. So this is why I need to stop buying the huge ones, because we burn them, but there's still so much left because they're huge. Got that one, apple walnut, and this white pumpkin one as well, which probably could go in the bin, to be honest. I've bought some more stuff to do some more autumn crafts, so hopefully I'll get a chance to show you that. And And yeah, that's everything. I'm not going to obviously put it out today, so I'll try and do a little autumn decorate with me in a vlog soon. I'm having a bowl of strawberries and some honey yoghurt. And the yoghurt will probably help my heartburn for a little while. If not, I'm going to go and have some Rennies and then go to bed. So I thought I would end the vlog here and say goodnight to you. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today. I'm sorry this vlog has been a little bit random and all over the place, but hopefully you enjoyed it, and I will speak to you soon. Bye guys.